Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as DeepShark. I will share all the DeepShark network with you. You can easily be able to make money on it too. In the first phase, they have sold their all tokens from the first phase quickly, and now it's the last phase. It's going to launch, so must go and be a part of that opportunity here. So I will share all the detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all, so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So DeepShark is the king of the water, so it is the king of water. DeepShark is an innovative meme coin born with a revolutionary purpose in crypto ecosystem. So you can easily buy it from here too. I will share the details that how you can buy it. Their phase 2 81% raise, so it is the opportunity for you that you can buy, and its price will goes up. I will share that details with you, that the comparison between the Dogecoin and the DeepShark value. So about DeepShark, you can see it is a token. It's not just a traditional meme coin, but an asset in a larger ecosystem that unites innovation, security, and appreciation potential. The DeepShark platform is aimed to transform the way investors interact with the cryptocurrency using the AI, artificial intelligence, to enhance the trading experience, offering real-time trade recommendations. So they are going with the AI, as you know about the AI nowadays going on all the things. So meme coin creation is that this DeepShark token will be the platform native currency, allowing the access to the various features and benefits within the ecosystem, creating a cycle of appreciation and focus on trust, transparency, and efficiency. You can see the contract here, so it is the address is given. I will share the BSC scan too. You can see the white paper, their mission and vision is given. The Q Deep Shark is given. The previous project is given here. The price is given. You can see it is 1177% going up and all that. You can see details from here too. So further I will share with you about their official post on DeepShark, which is the official listing request submitted to the Kraken exchange token DeepShark, and its real status is awaiting review. They are proud to announce that they are officially listing request for DeepShark has been submitted to the Kraken. This marks a key milestone in their mission to bring deep sea innovation to the crypto market space. So it is here the BSC scan. So DeepShark, I share with you, their holders are 1452. You can see their transfers here, which is showing. So now I will get it to the basically here the Dogecoin price. You can see it is 0.1813. So you can see the calculation of that is about $1,000 from DeepShark and had the same value as the Dogecoin. So you can see it here, and further here is the network about the pre-sale space. So you can easily be able to buy it from here. You have to connect that wallet, and for that you have to touch on the connect wallet option, and then after that you can be able to connect it with the wallet or the email address. You have to add the amount that how much you want to buy. So if you go for the 10, you can see it here. You can easily buy with 100 thousands and all that. Phase 2, they have the plus 25% bonus, 0.002. Enter the number of tokens you are going to buy. For example, here is given about that 50,000, 80,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and all above. You can see it here. You can even though claim that from here too. You can go and join them on their Telegram. You can see in the Telegram official there it is given, so you can easily be able to work on. You can see their official. You can see it here. It's a DeepShark which is given here. Their price of the profit is also given. Their pre-sale is live, so must go and join it from here too. So further you can see based on DeepShark, I share all their details from here to post about that. You can even go and follow them on their real DeepShark here. So I will just open it here and share it with you about their real official account. You can see that profile, their details there. They give about the listing request on Gate.io too. They are also going for Gate.io, and you can see it here. Only 1 day left, so you can go and be a part of their community, so that you can easily be able to get to know about the more things about it. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.